Good day everyone, welcome back to my channel Soleil's Life. In front of me I have the pieces that I'm working with. They both cut on a fold. So we have the front section with the dart, the sleeves, the neckline, and the armhole liner and the neckline liner. For the back section we have the armhole liner, armhole, sleeves, neckline liner, and the back pattern of the top. Like I said before, they both cut on a fold. It's truly optional. If you choose to do an opening in the back, it's fine. You can do it. Also, the neckline has a open to the front. So a few inches down, I did an opening. So I'm going to go ahead and when I'm sewing, I will go ahead and sew it and cut it. So all the neckline pieces, all the armhole pieces, and the two sections of the top. So this is what we're working with today. So before we begin to do anything else, we're going to join the sleeves together. So I place the back and the front section and I pin down the seam allowance, which I'm going to go ahead and join the shoulders. I'm going to do the same exact thing on the other side. I'm going to put the shoulders together, pin them down, seam allowance, and I'm going to stitch them. So this is what we do before we begin the beginning process of doing the liners. So we're going to do this first. We're going to join the shoulders together. Let's begin. So to begin, I'm going to work on the front section of the top. First, there's two dots. So I'm going to go ahead. I already marked the dots off. So all I'm going to do is just go ahead and take a pin and put it into the line where I marked off the darts. So that's going to be the length of the dart and the width of the dart. So I'm going to go ahead and flat stitch down the darts on both sides. Keep in mind, whatever I show you on one side, you're going to do on the other side also. So this will be the dart. Then for the sleeve area, we're going to go ahead and fold this in. And this is going to be how you do the sleeve. Also, for the armhole area that's remaining, you're going to go ahead and place the liner piece that you had on the armhole. You're going to go ahead and just place it down, and you're going to stitch your seam allowance, whatever it may be. So I'm going to go ahead and stitch that. So that will be the way I'm lining and the darts. I'm going to do the same thing over here. I'm going to do the darts and I'm going to line the sleeve and the armhole. So that's what's going to be done next. So here we have the front and back tuck joined together on the shoulders. We also have the darts, the armhole is lined, and neckline, front and back is lined. So now we're going to move on to joining the sides of the top together. So what we're going to do is place it both sides together. And we're just going to go ahead and line it up, front and back together, and just seam allowance. So I'm just going to go ahead and stitch down whatever the seam allowance is. Also, when you're done joining both sides together, you're going to go ahead and put a hem on the bottom of the blouse. So I'm just going to go ahead and do a 1-inch hem, 1/2 inch 2 times folded, and I'm just going to flat stitch all the way around. So the option is to join the sides and then do the hem, or you could do the hem and just join the sides after, whichever is easier for you to work with. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and that would be the finished blouse.